Welcome to Taiba Kids!
Brush your teeth in the morning light, make them sparkle clean and bright. Up and down and side to side, healthy smiles we show with pride. Squeeze some toothpaste on your brush, minty bubbles swish and rush. Brush the front and brush the back, keep those tiny germs off track. Soft and slow, top and bottom, every tooth, shiny smiles for every you. Brush for one and brush for two, take your time, that's what we do. Little circles, nice and neat, clean and happy teeth to greet. Your tongue as well, keep your mouth fresh, can't you tell? Rinse with water, swish around, healthy teeth are safe and sound. Morning brushing starts the day, nighttime brushing keeps decay away. Twice a day is what we do, happy teeth for me and you. Shining in, laugh and giggle, clap your hands, healthy habits make big fans. Now our brushing song is done, keeping teeth clean is lots of fun. Brush each day and you will see a happy smile for you and me.
Thanks for watching Taiba Kids! Don't forget to like and subscribe!